Xiaomi launches an affordable hairdryer that dries hair in 1 minute. Xiaomi has officially launched the Mijia high-speed hairdryer model G-Shou in China. The new model is priced at 219 yuans 30 and is now available in 4 pastel colors: pink, cream, white, blue, and green. Xiaomi Mijia high-speed hairdryer specs. The Mijia hair dryer features a compact and lightweight body, weighing just 347 grams without the power cord. Its dimensions are 8773 to 506, making it suitable for one-handed use and convenient storage. Xiaomi designed this model for quick, effective drying and comfortable daily use. The hairdryer is equipped with a high-speed brushless motor that runs at 110,000 revolutions per minute. This motor generates an airflow of up to 62 meters per second, allowing it to dry short hair in about 1 minute, shoulder-length hair in around 3 minutes, and longer hair in approximately 5 minutes. These figures are based on internal lab testing. Xiaomi has integrated negative I-don't technology into the dryer with a claimed output of 200 million ions. These ions help reduce static, smoothen hair cuticles, and improve hair texture. The dryer also includes intelligent temperature control powered by an NTC thermistor and an MCU microprocessor. This system performs 100 air temperature checks per second and adjusts the airflow in real time to prevent overheating and reduce heat damage. The device supports 8 drying combinations through 2 wind speed levels and 4 temperature settings: cool, warm, hot, and a hot-cold cycle mode. It also features a memory function that retains the last used setting. To lower operational noise, Xiaomi has implemented a multi-layer acoustic optimization system. The hairdryer produces a sound power level of 73.9 dBA, making it relatively quiet during use. It also features a double-layer micro-perforated filter at the rear that prevents hair from being pulled into the motor. The Mijia dryer operates at 220 volts 50 Hz and has a rated power of 1600W. In related news, Xiaomi recently launched a new split air conditioner that purifies air, cools quickly, and eliminates viruses. The company has also introduced 2 new humidifiers featuring quiet operation, invisible mist, and high-peros integration.